So this is his truck. His door is open. So, yeah. Now my husband works at Audi, so he got a good deal on his truck. That's a good thing about working at a dealership. They didn't know, his company didn't know if they were going to keep the truck or if they were going to give it to the auction for the auction to sell. But I guess because it was such a high demand package, they decided to keep the truck. And it wasn't even on the lot for 24 hours, and he brought it. So brought it to like it got on there maybe that Tuesday. Your truck was on the lot.
Yeah.
Tuesday. So yeah, that Tuesday, that Wednesday, he got it that morning. He had it Tuesday. Sorry. He ended up getting the truck that Tuesday, but he just had to sign out his paperwork Wednesday. So, how do you like your truck?
I love it if I was driving it.
Ain't that something? I'm gonna show you a little bit more. Hi guys, I look a little mess today. I'm just waiting to get over a really, really bad cold. I have to get my tonsils removed because I keep getting strep and tonsillitis. And within this year, I probably have got it 6 times. So I have to go to my ENT doctor to get everything straight. So I'm very congested. I don't know if you guys can tell. You guys have been hanging with us since the Ford Fusion. My husband just got a new truck. He has a Ford F-150. It is super nice. He got it Wednesday. Today is Saturday. So we just went for a drive, and we are going to look at some other trucks just to see and compare some things. So right now we are at Bill Talley Ford, right here in the Virginia area. So he's looking at one truck now, which looks exactly like his, to see the difference. So yeah, I'm going to show you a little bit of the inside of his. This is his truck right here. So he has a extender, so he doesn't have like the other door. So when he gets out, when I get out, we can open it. Versus to some other trucks, you can't. This is the back seat. As I stated before, this is the front. So we just got a touchscreen for both cars. I don't know. I've been debating to take my touchscreen back because if you don't know, I have a Traverse. It's a Chevy. I'm really not big on a Chevy. My first car was a Chevy. I'm more of a Ford type of girl. So I was driving a Ford Fusion. My husband got a Ford truck. My papa loves Fords. So I'm like a Ford person. So I'm thinking about trading in. I'm thinking about trading it in and getting a Ford Explorer, like a newer one. So yeah, so we're here just comparing his truck. As you can see, this one is a 2-door, but it's kind of the same. It's a 4-door. But this is the front of his truck. I don't want to show his license on it. So this is the front of his truck. And then this is the front of this truck. So it's not a big difference, honestly, besides the doors. So I'm going to do a look at it now.
He would be like, who is talking to?
Raven, say hi. Oh, see, like your neighbor across the wall. We are at Buckrow Beach with the kids. Again, it is just beautiful. This is my first time being here. Cam, not so far. This is my first time being here. I remember my grandma used to say a long time ago that this is the only beach black people could go. But it's not like that anymore, of course. But it's really nice. It's really nice. It's actually better than Virginia. So we decided to take the kids and have a little good Sunday because it's only an hour away from us, and we're enjoying it. wish I would have brought some toys for them because I didn't think of it. Well, I did, but we forgot to stop. Cam, come back. Cam, come back. He's super excited about the beach, as you can tell, but that's why I'm sitting here because, you know, my godson, my other godson, my husband is over there. He loves it. Look at him just sitting there. Where we at? Where we at? Wait a minute. Woo! You still in water? Look at you, Harlan. There it goes, Harlan. Someone likes the beach. We are having a good time at the beach. They are really enjoying it, and I love it. This was a great little mini getaway for a day. It was just sporadically. We just thought about it. We woke up and we just went to the beach. We're having a really good time. Go ahead. Good job. Baby didn't want his swimming trunks on, so we got a swimmer on him. So before we leave here, we can spray him down and change him. No. Come on. There you go. James, you want to say hi to the people? No. You really like this water, huh? Ooh, yeah. Yeah.